To start with, we should have hand-drawn art. It may be a sketch or caricature. Firstly, we have to scan or photograph them to make a raster image with extension, preferably JPeg. I am working on Photoshop. You can use any other software also. This is a time-lapse video, so you see faster video than what they actually are. Then crop all the images as required. I am using a pen tablet as an input device. It requires time to get well versed with pen tablets. The pen tablet has some hotkeys to help me work faster, like brush thickness, undo redo, zoom in zoom out and hand grip to move the page. Make a new layer. Start tracing the sketch on this new layer with transparent backdrop. Make one more layer with white backdrop, so you can check the vector lines on it, while keeping the raster image layer off. Now we have 3 layers. Lock all layers except the transparent one on which you are drawing. This saves you from accidentally drawing on the wrong layer. My caricature involves 4 Indian politicians. You can see actual pictures of these politicians on the right side of the video. They are being used as a reference. I am making them separately. Then I will be stitching them on a single page. Only the transparent layer with vector drawing are being copied here. Time to resize them. Here I am using the command Ctrl+T to resize. The 5th element of my drawing is a chair, for which these politicians are fighting for. I will be making it here. And with this, all the other 4 sketches are been placed to give it a meaning. All 5 elements are on their respective layers, adding convenience. I have made separate layers for colors, and shadows also. Making shadows adds realistic touch to it. It has to be made with day-to-day experience. Now some bright color to the leading politician. This color adds a splash of contrast to the whole picture. Making a caricature has its own risk. Majorly the time frame in which it has to post it online. If delayed, the essence of the art is finished. I thought of coloring it all, but then it was hampering the effect. So I decided to go with the black and white theme, with a tinge of orange, as my final output. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.